Khadisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So I'm back with another video featuring HerGivenHair's Diva lace front wig in the texture Burmese curly. And yes, this is the same exact wig that I cut and put the hair paint wax on last time, which turned out really nice. But today we're going to try a finger coil out. So I previously shampooed and deep conditioned the hair with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus shampoo and hair mask. And by the way, the hair paint wax, it came out really easily with just 2 lathers of the shampoo. So now we're going to move on to styling, and I'm just spritzing the hair with some water, and now I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk for some moisture and shine and just rake that through. Next, I'm sealing with extra virgin olive oil, and lastly, I'm taking the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse to provide a long-lasting hold. So about 2 months ago, Shea Moisture sent me their whole coconut hibiscus line, and it was my first time trying the hair mousse. I'm just splitting the hair into smaller sections and coiling it around my finger, and I'm just taking my time doing this to make sure that each section is coiled. Now, one tip that I do have for you guys when using the curl mousse is to just use about 1 to 2 pumps per section, because I noticed that in areas where I was a little bit heavy-handed, once the hair dried, those areas were a bit more firm, and I also had to separate those areas more. So if you're going for a fluffy finger coil out, just use 1 to 2 pumps per section. But if you're going for more of a tamed look, then use more of the product. So I'm just going to finish this process on the rest of the wig, finger coiling each section. So this is what the hair looks like once all the finger coils are done. So I'm just going to let this air dry overnight. It's the next morning and the coils are 100% dry. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how perfect these curls turned out? The hair is moisturized, shiny, and just looks amazing. Now I'm going to apply the wig to my head, and you guys, in my last video I parted the wig in the middle because I normally do a middle part with my natural hair, but this wig is actually designed to be worn with a side part, so I parted it on the side this time to see how it would look. Now I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to add to the part, and this just helps to blend the hairline with my natural hairline. After that, I'm going to go in with my Topic hair fibers to further work on making the hairline look a bit more natural. So before separating all of the finger coils, I'm going to apply some extra virgin olive oil to reduce frizz. So now I'm just separating as much as possible to get some more volume on the hair. And as a finishing touch, I'm going in with my Afro pick to also add some more volume to the roots and pick the curls out a little bit. So these are my final results, you guys. I love how the curls turned out on the wig, and I'm actually considering trying this exact same product combo and hairstyle on my natural hair because the curls turned out really beautiful. If you guys are interested in HerGivenHair, definitely take advantage of their Valentine's Day sale. You can get up to $60 off of your purchase. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.